Hello dear students, welcome to Rishikul Online School. This is the video lesson of chapter number 8 of Geography, which is about the human resources. The human resource which is considered the most important resource, it's because of his ability, knowledge and skill. The human resources, they have the ability to convert the natural resources into the useful products. So the people who are useful to the society are called human resources. The people who are healthy, educated, skilled and have right moral values are useful to the society. In fact, human resource that is considered the most important resource of the earth's surface. Population density. Population density, it's a measurement of the number of people in an area. It is an average number. It is usually shown as the number of the people per square kilometer. So through this map, we can come to know the highly populated areas of the world. And these are South Central Asia, East Asia and Southeast Asia. Population distribution. It means the pattern of where people live. The word population distribution is uneven. Places which are sparsely populated contain few people, but the places which are densely populated contain many people. So the factors which affect the population distribution are topography, climate, soil, water, minerals. Apart from this, social, cultural and economic factors. So these factors, they affect the population distribution on the earth's surface. So let's study them one by one. First one, geographical factors, topography. People always prefer to live on plains rather than mountains and plateaus because these are the areas suitable for farming, manufacturing and service activities. The Ganga plains are the most densely populated areas of the world, while mountains are sparsely populated. Climate. People usually avoid extreme climates that are very hot or very cold, like Sahara Desert, polar regions, Canada and the Antarctica. Soil. Fertile soil, it provides suitable land for agriculture. Fertile plains such as Ganga and Brahmaputra in India, they are densely populated. Next one is water. And the minerals. Water is one of the basic needs of human beings. That was why the early civilizations were developed in the river valleys. Areas having great mineral wealth are more populated as compared to those which lack in mineral wealth. Next one, social factors, which includes health, education and housing, which are considered as the social factors that are required by the human beings. The areas having these facilities are densely populated. Economic and cultural factors. An area with improved economic conditions and employment opportunities always attract a large number of people. Cultural and religious factors also affect human settlement. They have their own significance that attract a large number of people. Political factors. Political stability influences the concentration and growth of population. People do not prefer the areas having political unrest. People are always attracted towards the region with great political development. So dear children, this is all about this module. Thank you. Have a nice day.